Hello, what is your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. How about you?
I'm 22. Where do you live?
I live in New York City, in Manhattan. It's a busy place, but I love it.
That sounds exciting. What do you do there?
I'm a university student studying computer science. What about you?
I work as a graphic designer at a marketing agency.
That's interesting. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I really do. It's creative and challenging at the same time.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. It reminds me of the ocean. What's yours?
I love green because it represents nature and growth.
That's a great choice. Are you married or single?
I'm single at the moment. How about you?
Same here. I'm focusing on my career right now.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 every morning. I like to start my day early.
That's impressive. Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I always take a shower right after I wake up. It helps me feel refreshed and ready for the day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat oatmeal with fresh fruits and a cup of coffee. What about you?
I prefer eggs and toast with orange juice. Sometimes I add avocado too.
That sounds healthy and delicious. What time do you go to work or school?
I leave for university at 8 a.m. My first class starts at 9.
Do you drive or take public transportation?
I take the subway. It's faster than driving in the city traffic.
That makes sense. What time do you usually come home?
I get home around 5 p.m., but sometimes later if I have study groups or lab work.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually study for a couple of hours, then relax by watching TV or reading. What do you do?
I like to work on personal design projects or go to the gym in the evening.
Do you go to the gym regularly?
Yes, I try to go at least 4 times a week. It helps me stay healthy and relieve stress.
That's a good habit. What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m. I need at least 7 hours of sleep.
Same here. Good sleep is so important for productivity.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I'm the second oldest.
That's a big family. Do you get along with them?
Most of the time, yes. We have our arguments like any family, but we're very close.
What does your father do?
My father is a civil engineer. He designs bridges and buildings.
That's a very important job. What about your mother?
She's a high school teacher. She teaches mathematics.
Both your parents have impressive careers. Do you live with them?
No, I moved out when I started university. I share an apartment with 2 roommates now.
How is that experience?
It's been great. I've learned to be more independent and responsible.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't. I'm still young and want to finish my education first.
That's a wise decision. What's your oldest brother's name?
His name is Michael. He's 25 and works as a software developer.
Is your sister older or younger than you?
She's younger. She's 17 and still in high school.
Do you love your family very much?
Absolutely. They mean everything to me. We try to have dinner together every Sunday.
That's wonderful. Family time is so precious. What are your hobbies?
I like reading, drawing, and photography. I also enjoy hiking on weekends.
That's a nice variety. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I listen to it almost all day while I work.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar and a little bit of piano. Can you play anything? I play the drums. I've been playing since I was 12 years old.
That's impressive. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football and basketball. I'm on my university's football team.
That must keep you very active. What do you do on weekends?
I usually relax, hang out with friends, watch movies, or attend football matches. Sometimes I travel to nearby cities.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I do. I'm not professional, but I enjoy dancing at parties and social events.
What kind of books do you read?
I mostly read science fiction novels and technology magazines. Sometimes I read biographies of successful entrepreneurs.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I absolutely love traveling. It's one of my biggest passions in life.
What's your favorite hobby overall?
My favorite hobby is definitely coding and building software projects. It combines creativity with problem solving.
That fits perfectly with your major. Do you watch TV regularly?
Yes, I watch TV every night before bed, mostly documentaries and tech shows.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. It's a powerful story about hope and friendship.
That's a classic. Who is your favorite actor?
I really like Leonardo DiCaprio. His performances are always incredible.
I agree. Do you like to draw?
Yes, I sketch sometimes, especially when I'm designing user interfaces or planning projects.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I love video games. I play strategy games and multiplayer online games with my friends.
Do you go out with friends often?
Yes, usually every weekend. We go to restaurants, movies, or just hang out at someone's place.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I enjoy it. I take photos with my smartphone, mostly landscapes and city architecture.
What's your favorite song?
Right now, I'm really into Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. The energy is amazing.
Do you write stories or poems?
No, I don't really write creatively. I'm more technical and analytical in my thinking.
Do you enjoy relaxing at home?
Yes, definitely. Sometimes staying home, reading a book, and having a cup of tea is the perfect evening.
I completely agree. There's something peaceful about quiet time at home. What is your favorite food? I absolutely love Italian food, especially pizza and pasta.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it. I add hot sauce to almost everything.
Can you cook well?
Yes, I can cook fairly well. I learned from my mother and from watching cooking shows.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat whole grain bread with peanut butter, a banana, and green tea.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee in the morning for energy, but I drink herbal tea in the evening to relax.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. It's sweet, juicy, and reminds me of summer.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
For lunch, I usually have a salad with grilled chicken or a sandwich with vegetables.
Do you like sweets and desserts?
Yes, very much. I have a sweet tooth. I especially love chocolate cake and ice cream.
What's your favorite drink besides water?